Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to this video. Man, this video I want to show y'all, man, a work from home job that I've been doing for quite a while, and I just work maybe just 1 hour a day, just posting to my regular Facebook page. And let me just show you the ad, because you know what I do, I post ads online, and this is the ad post. I did a video post and I tagged a couple of my friends in it. And the video was just about telling y'all the same thing about how you can make money, you know, posting ads online. And actually, I got a couple of likes. I have a lot of shares, and I got a whole bunch of comments. And I'm just sending people the information, showing them the same steps that I'm able to make with this home-based business to generate a couple of $100s every week. So let me just show you what this ad just did. I actually posted this ad on the 11th, April the 11th. So we're gonna come into my back office back here. I'm gonna just show you what this ad has generated me. One ad, people. That's what I tell y'all, man. One ad on the 11th. I posted that on the 11th. It's the 18th. What today is? Today is the 17th. But you see, I posted the ad on the 11th. I had somebody come in on the 13th, the 14th, the 16th. I'll get back with you in a sec. On the 16th. And actually I get $80 per referral. So that's 3 people that I referred to the company. It's 3 times 80, so that's like what, 240 bucks from one ad. It's crazy, people. So that's exactly how I generate the money. And let me just show you what I've been getting paid. So every week they pay me. So this month I've been paid twice. So, you know, roughly about 400 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Bill money, people. Man, working from home. You see where I'm at? I'm at the house. Just shot a video, posted it. People seen the information and got started. So that's how easy it is. And if you want to know exactly what I'm doing and how I'm able to make this type of income on a weekly basis just by posting ads online, all you have to do is just click the link below. With the link below, all you have to do is just go through the information. It's all there. It's free, no obligation, no credit card required. Just check it out, and if something for you, please get in. We got full training provided. I'm here to help you personally, so you won't go through any roadblocks, and if you do, I'm here to go through them with you. So, you know, you guys, if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.